Hey friends, if you wish to set low battery alarm in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. So here's what we have to do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now you can go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select power and battery. Now you have something called as uh, this one energy saver. So click on this, and there's an option here which says turn on energy saver automatically when battery percentage is at. You can select the percentage for low battery, let's say it's 20%. So when the energy saver mode is triggered, you'll get a notification. Okay, and you can also keep this one on to lower the screen brightness. Obviously you can increase the screen brightness from the option here, from the brightness slider, but when the screen brightness lowers, that also serves as a notification. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.